What up, y'all? DJ Saurus with Hip Hop for Change. I'm sitting here in our brand new recording studio. We're excited about the progress that we're making on phase 1. We just completed our first phase of construction, which includes the initial soundproofing and insulation. We're moving on to electrical and HVAC. We're excited to be unboxing speakers today. Our sound engineer, D-Wiz, and myself have been working on all aspects of the studio design alongside our awesome construction staff to provide our community with a world-class recording studio.
My name is Marlon Richardson. I'm the Education Director of Hip Hop for Change, and I'm really excited to see what students are going to come in here and learn to do. We're getting them on the brink of a creative milestone, so to facilitate an opportunity for them to express themselves using this machine back here and using all the other resources that we have is going to take their artistry to the next level. And gathering kids from middle school, high school, and even young adults to come in here and express themselves and learn how to write songs, learn how to edit music videos, or even do their own photo shoots, I think is a really promising opportunity for them to kind of change their own world.
Yo, what up, y'all? This is DJ Saurus.
And this is D-Wiz.
We're chilling here at Hip Hop for Change Studios. We're about to unbox our
New speakers from Meyer's.
These are the Meyer Sound Amies. We're really excited to show you guys what's under the box.
Yeah, man, the importance of having these big babies in the studio. You know what I'm saying? Especially when dealing with hip-hop. My bad, you're doing all the work, man. But yeah, hip-hop audio, you gotta have big sound. And I think these are just the right speakers for that.
So these are actually the same models that were designed for Skywalker Ranch. Now we're gonna move on to speaker 2.
Yeah.
We don't want to be doing our mixing in mono. We want stereo sound, right?
That's correct. As audio engineers, it's necessary. These are what we call big boy speakers.
All right, for the final unboxing, we're about to unbox the sub. We had to call in some of our folks.
Yep. All right,
This looks intense.
all right. This is what I wanted to see right here.
The big boy.
The big boy.
Wow.
All right. What are we working with?
Let's see what we got in here.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh,
Hey.
Holy cow. All right. Oh. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. This is crazy. Turn that bad boy around.
Oh my goodness, the neighbors.
Grill and grill.
Your favorite rapper's a liar and I can prove it. Stepping into your office like Ice Cube and Ruthless. Slum Stanley Kubrick, Harry Potter on a broomstick. My brain's a vision board, no paper, no glue stick. You are not your Facebook or Instagram smile. Nope. You are not your job title or Tinder profile. You made from the same things that made the stars a river now, my guy. Yo, hold the weight of the world on my shoulders like Atlas. Doper than a drum player with a drug habit. In between the genie and Aladdin, microphone Michelangelo, painting God touching Adam. In the beginning, we was chilling, writing all of these verses. My homies could see the vision.
It has been a dream of mine for almost a decade to create a free studio resource for youth under 24 here in the Bay Area where kids can find themselves and, get all this, tension off their chest. And especially now more than ever, it is so critical for Black and brown people, for hip hop culture to own the means of production and to control when and where and how much we share our narratives forward. So I gotta give a huge shout out to Dolby and Meyer Sound for valuing hip hop culture enough and supporting Black and brown arts here in the Bay Area, y'all. Truly, we appreciate it.
We are so excited for the members of our community to experience this amazing studio. It's going to be a world-class room. We have world-class partnerships, and thank you to our donor base.